Well, back this morning to talk about bullying and what effects it can have on a student that is being bullied, but also kind of thinking the person that is doing the bullying, what's going on in their mind, and there are health effects with this. And Dr. Fahd Rawra is here with Samaritan Medical Center to give us details on this. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you. This is true, right? It has a health effect on people.
Yes, absolutely. So, it is a very serious problem, and I want to talk about what it is and who all it can affect. They say that, or some studies have stated that 1 in 4 bullies will actually end up with a criminal record by the time they're 30. Wow. So we always we're always like, well, everybody focuses on the person being bullied. That's very important too. But even the bully themselves, you need to contain that. You need to stop that behavior because it's a violent act.
Yeah,
bullying.
It's a dangerous road, it sounds like, to go down.
And if you don't stop it, you don't contain it, it'll get out of hand. The severity of their violent acts will get worse with time. So that's very important. I want to talk about the types of bullying. So we have the physical bullying, psychological bullying, cyberbullying nowadays, and the verbal bullying, of course. People who are actually getting bullied, they themselves can experience severe mental health issues like severe depression, severe anxiety. They can end up having suicidal thoughts, that is, thoughts of not wanting to live, wanting to die, wanting to kill themselves. That's very important. There's one more thing that we don't usually hear about too much, but it's very important. Those people who get bullied can actually turn against people and actually get very aggressive too. And this is not just against the bully. This has led to things like school shootings. I know it's scary, but it's the truth. When these kids feel bullied or get bullied, they kind of look at the bully as the person who is responsible, but also the people around, the people who are just
letting it happen.
Yes, as, just as much as fault. Why didn't they stop it? So, these bad things can happen from that. That's why I think we have a responsibility. Even if we're not directly there where the bullying is occurring, even if we're watching it, that somebody needs to do something about it.
And mostly I would think that teenagers are afraid to do something about it for fear that they will be bullied.
Yes.
But they should somehow maybe anonymously report it or take action.
Sure, tell someone.
Yeah.
Tell someone.
So the best thing to do is, obviously, if you're in a situation where you're being bullied, for kids, you want to, if you feel like this is going to escalate to more of a physical altercation, you need to try to get away from that situation. So either walk away from it, run away from it if you need to. Hang out in groups. It's been said and shown that if you're in groups, then you're less likely to be bullied.
And keep that line of communication open with your parents and
adults. Yeah, the parents need to be involved as well. But
we're running out of time.
Okay. Sorry,
this is a big subject.
You definitely want to have that line of communication, like Beth said. Good to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
We're back here in a couple of moments. More of your local news coming up, and check on your forecasts after the break.